but I'm going to start with the first two first. The first one is the separation between the main suite upstairs and the basement suite. Sure, go ahead. Yeah, that's good.
Everything.
Yes. Okay. So the first thing you have to pay attention to is, so it's the drywall has to be extra thick, a bit thicker between the two suites. So think of you have your upstairs suite and you have a basement suite. In the walls or the ceilings separating those two suites, it has to be 5/8 of an inch and fireproof or more fire resistant. So basically what that means is normal drywall is 1/2 inch and fire rated drywall is a bit thicker, 5/8 of an inch. So that's number one. Number two is if there's a doorway between those two suites, the door has to be self-closing. Okay, a third thing, depending on the layout of the house. The third thing is, you know how every house has an electrical box, right? This electrical box has to be shared and accessible by both parties. So the reason is this, let's just say you're watching TV or something and the breaker goes off. Now, if the breaker switch is in the other person's suite, you can't go into the person's suite and bust in and turn on the breaker. It has to be somewhere where it's easily accessible by both. So either it's in the garage or some common utility room. If you don't have that, the inspector will make you have something like that. So 3 things you have to pay attention to.